Hi everyone. In this video we are going to discuss very interesting topic which made a lot of people crazy, and it's the same thing that I have promised you I will explain in future videos. So this is the video, and what this video is about. So what is wrong with Ethereum Meta, and how it's possible that I have this amount in my Trust wallet, but I can't kind of take this money out. And that's the thing that made a lot of people crazy. And I saw a bunch of videos on YouTube. A lot of people claiming that how we can find something, some hacks, and just anything that can possibly just can just make it possible to kind of withdraw this amount. Actually, you can do that, and I will explain why, and to all of you and all of people that are confused with this. And even I will say that you could do the same and have the same number, even bigger. Like if you want to see some good number in your Trust wallet, then yeah, you can do this, but actually it won't give you anything because you can't withdraw it. So on the other hand, you can buy it in any case, because maybe it will go up in its price. But let's just make everything clear and then go to that point. In any case, know that I've spent on this just amount just to one USD. So what is wrong with Ethereum Meta? Let's go to Ethereum Meta. Yeah, I have good typing today, not the one I had yesterday in my videos. So what we see in Ethereum Meta, and today I will also kind of try to explain how I see how this price is calculated in CoinMarketCap. Um, and that's the thing that confuses a lot of people, and we will also just try to understand what does this mean. So let's go first um, to the markets and see what's going on here. And as you can see, it is available in a lot of markets. Main volume 99% of 10,000 USD volume is in PancakeSwap, and as you can see, there are some 9 zeros here. Yeah, I have a lot of zero counting this month. And as you can see in the other like exchanges, it has much bigger price, like some 10,000 or 100,000 times bigger. It's 9 here, so 9 zeros here, 4 zeros here, so it's 5 zeros like bigger. So it means it has like 100,000 difference in price. How is this possible? So to understand this, what you need to understand is what is token and what is coin. So coin is something that actually works on its own blockchain. You can ask what is blockchain. You can just Google it, and just there are a bunch of articles about it. But in any case, just know that just blockchain is some kind of specifically structured database. Everybody heard about databases, so it's just a database. So if we are talking about coins are very difficult to develop because you need to create whole that infrastructure of blockchain, wallet, and etc. But on the other hand, if you want just a token, there are a bunch of coins which networks on which they are working kind of supports creating tokens on that. What does this mean? This means that you can easily create token if you are familiar with some programming and you have ability to hit a lot of buttons. Yeah, you can even just find an article. There is a Binance article which explains how to create a token easily and using some other coin networks. So what you will mostly see in your for example, in top gainers, you will see a bunch of tokens which are added, and they are mostly added in the Binance Smart Chain. If you watch my first video, I've kind of just a little bit covered it in there. Binance Smart Chain is kind of the second generation of Binance Chain, which allows tokens to be added to it. So for example, let's go to this Eagle token, and I will discuss this token later. It's really interesting. As you can see, it's added in Binance Smart Chain, and there are a bunch of tokens, just altcoins, fund tokens, meme tokens, which are added in Binance Smart Chain. It's really easy to add, and it's really very popular. So, but what is wrong with Ethereum Meta, and what's this price about? Ethereum Meta has been added to four networks: to Ethereum network, the Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche Chain, and Polygon Chain. Okay, and you can see all these contracts here. This is contract addresses. If you can just copy them to kind of add them in some exchanges, you can just open, and you will see you can see a lot of information here telling you that, yeah, these are transactions, these are hashes, this is contract, this is decimal, official site, etc. Okay, so when you set as markets prices, you will actually think, okay, I will buy a lot of Ethereum Meta in PancakeSwap, which is really cheap. Then I will just sell it in QuickSwap, in Trader Joe. Yeah, it's a nice idea, really, but actually you can do that, and I can do that too, because the thing is that PancakeSwap supports only currently the Ethereum Meta, which is only in Binance Chain. Okay, so let's go and try to do this. Just for example, I will go to my PancakeSwap. It tries to connect. I will connect it to my Trust wallet. New connection, connect the Trust wallet, wallet connect. Oh, yeah, we're connected, everything is good. Okay, now let's see what can we actually kind of change this amount. I mean, the amount which is available. I could a bit confused, sorry. So let's see whether we can buy any. Let's see whether we can add token which is Ethereum Meta in some other network. For example, from Avalanche. Okay, just copy address, go here, go to manage tokens. If I paste it here, nothing happens. It won't allow me to do this. But if I go back and copy the one from Binance Smart Chain and copy and paste it here, okay, my Ethereum Meta is active and it's added. So that's the thing. And again, I have a lot of like tokens, Ethereum Meta, which is in Binance Chain. So let's try to swap it in QuickSwap, because I have a lot of them and I want to kind of swap them in QuickSwap. Okay, and let's go and say that I have a lot of Ethereum Meta, which is not here, and I need just to paste an address. But I need to paste an address which is from Binance Smart Chain. So for example, okay, yeah, for example, let's try to buy it. Okay, so let's imagine that I have Matic and I want to buy some Ethereum Meta which is from Binance Smart Chain, for example. Okay, let's copy it here, go to QuickSwap. Nothing happens. Now if I try to copy some contract address of Avalanche or Polygon, it will be added, as you can see. Yeah, but this is not the same Ethereum Meta. It's Ethereum Meta, but in Polygon network. Okay, and if I add this will be Ethereum Meta in Avalanche C network. They are not same. Okay, so of course, if I try to connect now QuickSwap to my Ethereum Meta, to my Trust wallet, and try to convert from that Ethereum Meta that I have, it just won't show me the Ethereum Meta, which has this $476,000 price. It won't show it because this account of Ethereum Meta is on BEP20, which has been a smart chain. Okay, and what I have here, I have another Ethereum Metas. Yeah, I've added another Ethereum Meta and bought it for $1. Now I have $3 here price, but they are not the same. As you can see, it's from Avalanche network. Yeah, and it's so it's the whole story really. So you just can't do that. Okay, and the text here that says node price displayed for Ethereum Meta represents an aggregated across Ethereum Meta trading pairs available on Ethereum, BSC, Avalanche, and Polygon network. It is the node which you should understand this way, that the price written here is an average price from different exchanges which supports different networks. Okay, this is the whole idea. It's the average price. As you can see, none of them just sells for this actually. It's just average price, and price in CoinMarketCap is calculated with the average price. The other story is why this happened and why a lot of confusion about it. I'm not sure actually, but in any case, until this price changes to this one in PancakeSwap, you won't have this amount of money. What's the actually chance that this would happen? Considering it, I think it depends on the volumes from the other exchanges. For example, in QuickSwap, if somehow QuickSwap has like more volume than the PancakeSwap, I guess it will kind of force PancakeSwap to change it. And yeah, I think that there is chance. And in any case, I just bought for just one. I paid $1 and bought Ethereum Meta, both in Avalanche and both in a smart chain. Maybe it will be even a nice idea to buy it in Polygon network, but because Polygon and Avalanche are kind of supporting QuickSwap, so I just bought from Avalanche. Yeah, I really hope, I do hope that this price will change to this one. It will make me really happy. But in any case, now you can't do anything about it. Okay, that's the whole story. So don't get confused, and this is the whole answer. What is wrong with Ethereum Meta? But in any case, let's try to do that. Okay, let's try to connect QuickSwap to my Trust wallet. I'm not sure that there is that Matic, Polygon, Quick, switch to Matic, settings. I can't find any connect button here to kind of connect it to my Trust wallet. We can maybe actually try to do it by phone, but in any case, if you try to add your Ethereum Meta, just won't be added as I showed you. Like it's the same idea of copying and pasting and being a smart chain contract address. It just won't do anything and won't see it. Now let's go and talk about a bit about Eagle. Yeah. About coin market price. Yeah, it's really very interesting. A lot of people are confused with this. Oh my god, I've lost my opportunity. There is a $1,000 like 1,000% raising of this token in 24 hours. Imagine like how its price changed in a week or maybe in a month, and everybody just anybody can think that he lose something, yeah, like he had lost something, but actually it's not. Nobody lost anything. This is just a meme token, okay? It's written here, so you can see that this is a centralized meme token, and etc. Let's see the like it was added today. Yeah, it was added today, and the interesting thing is its price. Yeah, it has 6 zeros here, and let's go to markets, see what's going on in market. Okay, as we can see, it has like different price. It has 3 6, it has 7 zeros and 4, and this one has 6 zeros and 5. Yeah, so the what coin market cap do, it just takes average from this and shows you this number, um, and that's all. So now let's go and see why this why we see that in Finebox actually its price is this, because it's somehow also calculated. Okay, so this is just a swapping exchange. No, but it's not a trading platform. Okay, you just swap it, you just change one cryptocurrency to another. But Finebox is a trading platform. So what is going on in Finebox? I've just also registered here, like, to be able to show you what's going on here. Let's go to that pair, exchange pair, and see what's going on. And let's try to understand how the price was actually calculated. Okay. So this is the thing, really, that the trading platforms are the ones that make a lot of confusion, that creates this confusion, and people get upset about this, like, oh, I've lost money, I lost my opportunity, etc. Because it's, you see here that it's 10 times like bigger than this price in PancakeSwap. Yeah, from Ethereum Meta example, we already saw that, yeah, it's normal, yeah, for this world. But let's see what is going on here. So we see 6 zeros here and 5, yeah, after 0. But actually, they are selling with another price. It has 3 zeros and 2 here for selling, and for buying orders, it has 7 zeros and 6. So as I say this, CoinMarketCap just takes this number maybe from the Finebox, but how Finebox calculates it, they just take all of this money, like all of this amount, and takes average again. But actually they are not selling anything like with this price. Do you see this price here, 6 zeros and 5? I don't see it. I see a huge difference with buying and selling options. This one with 602 and this one with 706 is 2 times bigger, and there is nowhere this price. So that's the whole story. What this last thing is about, just don't get confused, don't be rushed to buy any tokens that are in top gainers. Try to read it, understand it, and what you want to do also. If this token is scam, and scam tokens are really very popular, and some of them is pump Ethereum, which I was talking in my first video, and I will have another video explaining what, like, how this scam works and how it's possible that you have different amount of tokens and they start to change, you start to lose your tokens in your wallet, which is kind of secure, yeah, but you lose it. And in any case, pay attention to all chats, pay attention what people write. So for Pump Ethereum, let's go search for it. I remember that I wrote there that this is scam and to kind of inform people to not buy it. And I've also wrote that I've lost all the amount of tokens that I had there to kind of inform people. So if you are going to buy something, watch the supply, see like how much is supply. If it's really tiny, so it's more likely that your token or coin will go up in its price. So if it's huge, actually it it's really not a big chance that it will. There are a lot of things to do, like it can burn tokens, etc. But in any case, and read this chat, really try to understand what is it. Also read what this token is about before buying. Yeah, you can always buy, spend some $1, but in any case, if you try to buy any token for $1, you pay a price. You pay price for transaction. For example, buying a token for $1 can cost you additional $1. So if you are, yeah, I know that if you are buying for $10, it can cost you again $1. But in any case, don't waste your money. Try to invest. Just do it cleverly. Okay. That's whole thing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and everybody just will calm down with this Ethereum Meta story. That's all. Thanks for watching.